This is Gage watching Jonas risk his life for an idiotic stunt. We'll see how it goes. You'll be in tune the whole time. It's gonna be on my wrist. Oh crap! Now I need to go across. I don't like doing this. Dude, if I get really, really wet, will I be screwed? Like, will we have to go home if I get super duper wet? Camera, will I have to go home if I get really, really wet? I'm recording. Hey! Monday.
Anything bad?
Trent! Don't be scared, I'm right here, baby.
What's up, guys?
Look! Oh yeah,
Anything in there? I don't know.
anything awesome in there?
Okay, go. I don't know, go.
Wait. Oh, I thought we were all getting across the air.
You want to?
Yeah, well what about the fishing rods?
Yeah, we'll just bring them one by one.
Alright.
Here you go.
How am I
Go first, go
I
first.
need to go get my rod.
No, go first, go
No,
first.
no,
Go first, because me and Trent are at.
Move.
No, go first, go
No,
first.
I'm not going. Why not?
Oh, this is the transfer. To the other side. I know.
I'll walk across the
Huh. Yo, go, yo.
Gotta go get my rod. I'm gonna get across now because
Okay.
I'm gonna across.
Hold on, let me go first.
Yeah.
Woo! Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh, crap. Ooh. What? I know, I got it. Oh, crap. Woo! Yeah, store them in your pockets. Uh-oh. Oh, shoot. I made it across. Okay, gotta go get my rod. Okay.
Dude, if I use my rod right,
Okay.
I could push myself up.
Yo. Oh, shoot. Yo. Gage, you might snap the rod.
What?
You might snap the rod.
I won't snag it.
No, you might snap. Oh, shoot.
Your eyes are nice and clean. Take some in my pocket.
Yeah.
Oh, no.
Yo, pass them one by one. Oh, shoot, hold on.
One by one. Move off so I can get to that rock. Wait. I need to get here. Got it?
Hold on.
Yeah. Nobody wants this up. This is waterproof shoes to tackle on.
No, they're not waterproof, actually. They just soak in the water. Okay, here I go. Bro, yeah, it's under Panther shirt. Just go walk in it.
What?
With your boxers.
Really?
Yeah, just go.
Like, take off my shoes and my pants?
Oh, yeah. Oh, crap, I slipped. Ah!
Wait, let's see how cold the water is.
Oh, shit, again, Trent. You okay? Oh, shit. Yeah, let's just go walk in it, fool. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Trent, release it. Oh, crap. Thank God I had this on. Okay, put this on, put this down. Oh, crap. I would have been dying in seconds. Yo, shh. I can't see it. Yep.
Lordy, this is cold.
Oh, yo. I can't. Yo, hold on, guys. I can't remove this.
Don't walk on this. Oh, yeah, I have to. Are you sure? Yeah, I have to. I don't want to get my, feet soaking wet. I need my shoes.
Woo! I'm good. Let's just walk. You sure? It's cold. Just walk in it. It's okay.
Cool?
Here. It's not every Okay, go.
Wait,
Come
why
on.
do we all have to close our eyes? Wait, go on. Ready. Wait, go on.
Yo,
Yo, wait.
yo, hold on, guys. What? Watch the rocks, though. Watch the rocks, though. Hi. Hello.
Yo, should I join it?
It's your choice. Oh, shit. You guys sound like elephants or something. Wait, elephants? Cold, isn't it? The rocks. You guys. Oh, shit. You okay? You okay? You okay? Come here. I got you. Yo.
We're gonna need to go home now.
No, yo, just pull on. Yo.
Sorry, but I have to see
Fudge!
better you than me. Yo, you okay?
No, it hurts. No! Yo, let's just camp here. Well, guys, we just camp here for now. No, he's not. Fudge. Very close look. No, just camp here for now.
It's not even that cold.
It's not even that cold. It's only the part that's slippery. Okay, let me try going on it again. Gonna go on the other side.
If I cut myself on my
Oh.
should I die?
No.
I'm gonna go chill.
What do you mean chill?
I can't believe it.
This is so fun.
That was fun.
It is fun, except for you for the...
I want to walk up the street. Oh, yeah, I know. You guys just want to walk up. No. How about we leave our stuff here?
Yeah, we'll hide it.
Yeah, I'm not bleeding, guys.
Yeah, let's hide the stuff.
It's
Hide the stuff.
not even that cold. Hey, can you guys stand over here while I take a pee?
You guys, no guys.
No,
Guys.
I'm not gonna get my shoes.
Hide our stuff. Guys, hide our stuff. We need to hide our stuff. We're gonna leave.
No. We gotta actually hide the roof.
Yeah, really good.
Dude, because we got an expensive shit review. Yo, dude, with our bare hands, you want to kill fish if we see them with a stick? You want to kill fish with our bare hands with a stick?
My dad got a harpoon. Yo, my dad has a machete. Fuck, we should have bring this machete.
Well, I knew I was gonna end up falling.